Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I will show you how to download TronLink wallet on your Chrome extension. And TronLink is a special Tron wallet that automatically calculates your earnings in 10 levels. It is a specialized Tron wallet that lives on your Chrome extension so that you can access it anytime, be it you're on YouTube or on Facebook or doing whatever. So let's get right into it. So what you want to do is just go over to Google and look for TronLink and just click on the first one. In Mandarin, this is called 波宝钱包. TronLink is founded by Justin Sun. He is one of Jack Ma's protege. He is on the Forbes 30 under 30. He is the founder of the Tron token, the Tron Foundation, and it is based in Singapore. It launched in 2017, it ICO'd in 2018. It is priced at 3 cents right now. So if you buy it right now and it goes up to 45 cents, then you already made 50% of what you already put in. And it runs on top. It used to run on top of an Ethereum blockchain, but now as of 2018, it has launched its own Tron blockchain. So download TronLink, and here it will bring you to the Chrome web store, and it should just say add to extension. Just click add to Chrome and then add to extension. And now it says that TronLink has been added to your Chrome extensions. So what you want to do is just click on the little puzzle icon, and that will open up all your extensions, and you just pin it so that it lives there permanently, and it lives right next to my MetaMask extension. So now you're brought to a page where you have to key in your password, and this password will create your account. There is no other registration page, no other login page. Just create your new password from here. And it says that you need to either put in a password with numbers or a symbol. So just go ahead and create it. So now you can see the 3 options. First is create, so create for new users. There is also restore if you're a returning customer. But this video is for people who are just setting it up. Or you can link it to your offline core wallet, which is hardware. But because you guys are watching this video today, I assume that all of you are new. So just go ahead and click on create for new users. Create an account name. Hit continue. And now you're brought to a page with your mnemonic phrase. So the mnemonic phrase is the 12 words. It's very similar to MetaMask. And this is like a password on top of your password. Don't lose your 12 mnemonic phrase. Don't lose your 12 words. This is your very important password. If you lose it, then it just means that you don't have an account anymore. TronLink cannot recover these 12 words for you. And don't show this to anyone because this is your password. So what I'm going to do is just copy it and then paste it on a Word document and then save it. And now I go back to my TronLink extension and I want to log in. So I just put the 12 words in order again. It's like a jigsaw puzzle. And these 12 words will be different for everyone and it's auto-assigned to you. Just don't lose it and don't show it to anyone. Once that is done, you're brought to the home page and you can see a bunch of tokens here. Some USDT, some Tron, and the receive, send button, and my address. So I just created this account so there's nothing in it, but we'll put something in later on. And you can see even if I go to YouTube or any other page, I can still click on the extension and it brings me to my wallet. Whether I'm surfing YouTube or on Facebook or whatever, it still lives there, so it's very convenient for me to receive and send as and when I want. Later on, I will be sending some Tron tokens to my TronLink wallet, and what I have to do is just hit on receive, and receive brings me to my wallet address. So you can see that this account supports TRX or the Tron token. It is of the TRC10 and TRC20 Tron blockchain. You can see my QR code here and the long string of gibberish numbers, but this is my wallet address. So when I want to receive some tokens, I will just copy this address and paste it to my broker or paste it on the exchange to send tokens to this address. And there you have it. It's super simple. In the upcoming videos, I'll show you how to purchase Tron tokens on an exchange such as Binance or Huobi, or if you have a broker. And there are two ways to do it, two main ways. You have the peer-to-peer method, which is buying tokens off the OTC market from other brokers, or you can just buy direct from your debit or credit card. I don't recommend you use a credit card because you're using the bank's money, but to each his own. But what I personally would do is to use a debit card, so I'm assured that it is money that I own. And with that being said, I will just bring this tutorial to a close and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!